Question number 15. A ball has a mass of 0.5 kg and a volume of 1.3 10 power minus 3. The ball is floating in equilibrium on still water. Okay, so now this is, let me draw the diagram to understand it more clearly. So this is the water surface and the ball is floating in water. The two forces that act on the ball, it's on its weight and the upthrust due to the water. So let us say it is floating on the water like this over here. It's floating. It's not exactly midway, some percentage. Okay. Density of water in air is 1 into 10 power. Density of water is 1 into 10 power 10 cube kg per meter cube. Okay, this is the density of water. What is the percentage of the volume of the ball? Volume of the ball above the surface of water. So how much part of it is above the surface of water? What volume of the ball is above the surface of water? This is the question. The first question is that why should the ball float in water? The reason is because when the ball is being thrown in water, then the weight makes it to sink. But the water molecules which are present over here do not like this water, do not like this ball, so they try to give an upthrust. Okay, and when this weight is equal to upthrust, automatically there is no extra force and the ball starts floating. Okay, this is what we have. So which means when the upthrust given by the letter B is equal to weight, the ball will float. Okay, so therefore now first find out what is the weight of the ball. Weight of the ball is nothing but mass multiplied by g, which is 0.5 multiplied by 9.8. This is the weight. And what is given by the buoyancy force? The formula for the buoyancy force or the upthrust is nothing but equal to density of water multiplied by the volume of the water multiplied by g. Okay, so this is nothing but your buoyancy we have. Okay, or maybe I can say what volume of water, which is volume of water displaced. I can write something like this over here. So now I can equate these two. When I equate these two, what do I get here? This also I'll write this as 0.5 times g. Okay, so I will write density of water is 10 cube and this is VW of displaced is into G is equal to 0.5 times G. G goes away and you have only VW. VW will now be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is what we have. Okay. Now what do we have next? Now what is that we have got? This is the amount of water which is getting displaced. Amount of water getting displaced means what? Initially, okay, let me write one more container here. Initially, when the ball was not dropped, this was the volume of water. This was the volume of water. When the ball was dropped, then what happened? The volume of water got raised by this much. This is what we got as volume of water displaced. What is this equal to? The weight of the ball. Okay, was the volume of the ball which can be contained. So therefore, this is what is going replaced over here, displaced over here. So I have got this is your volume of the water which is getting displaced. This is your VW. Okay. Now when we get this, now what fraction of this is equal to total volume? Okay. So when we want to do this, what we do is we find out V water displaced divided by the total volume. We will find out this fraction. Okay. Or see, I got some 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. Is it equal to 1/3 of the volume, 1/4 of the volume, 1/8 of the volume, half of the volume? What is it? If I want to ask that question, I am going to divide one by the other. Okay, when I divide that, what do I get here? I get 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by what is total volume? Total volume was 1.3 into 10 power minus 3. Definitely, it's not the full volume. Full ball is not inside it. Only part of it is inside it. Most of it is outside it. Okay, now let us look at this. What is this value here? Let us take up this value. So just 0.5 divided by 1.3. Array. Take 0.5 divided by 1.3 is equal to 0.38. 0.38. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 goes away. Which means what? 38% of water, okay, so 38% of the ball is inside water. And what percentage of the ball is outside water? 62%, right? So the answer is C. Right? That's a very simple question. So you need to know about how this has been solved. Thank you.